Hi guys, and welcome to my Basics of Python series. This is the second episode. Okay, let's make a new script and I'll split this video again. Script 2. Where did I stop? Oh, okay. This video will be split to three parts. First one is detection, second input, and third is the best of all loops. Okay, let's do something in detection. Okay, for here I will do something like print 1 plus 1. Okay. If 1 plus 1 is equals to, then print cool. Let's run the program. Okay, it's giving me a syntax error. Okay then. Yes, 2. It's cool. We have the script. Now, if it isn't that, else nope. Okay, let's just let that. Here it is. Cool. But if it's like 3, nope, it's not 3, it's 2. Here, cool. Now, if you want to stop a script, you have to do this. Okay, sorry for that. Now, we'll we'll do this, pass. It will stop the script and we will make a new one. Cool. Now, level 2, input. You ever want to let yourself write something? I've done that in a video, but if you didn't watch it, then let's do it today. Input, write something. Okay, here it is. About I love Python. Here it is, and the process finished with exit code 0. But if you try to write something, as if you did read only. Okay, let's give it detection again. About 1 plus 1 again. Another question. 1 plus 1 is equal to input. If before we do that, we have to let the input to be a variable to give the data. I'll make it answer. If answer is equals to 2, then print cool. Let's do that. Okay, it's 2. cool. But if it isn't cool, or not 1 plus 1 equals 2, else print by. Okay? About 10 or 1 plus 1 equals 8. Bye. And the process finished. Cool. Let's go to loops. I want to print 10. But I want it to print 10 times. Then let's do that. For in range 10, print 10. Here it is. Oh, I know why. Here it is. Print, for example, 310. What did I do? Okay, 310. Cool. Look at this. 310 10 times. So cool. But if we want to loop it forever, we can use while true. This thing like hell. While true. Oh, we have to make the uppercase to let it be correct. Here it is. Oh, we forgot to do this 2 dots. Here it is. Forever. It will never stop if you stop the program. Now this is the end of the video. If you want more like this, then subscribe to my channel and like. If you want to support me, share those videos to your friends. Goodbye, guys. I hope you have a nice day. Scratch on and Python on.